Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. By popular demand, I'm doing this video, tips for doing a vlog video in 5 minutes or less. When I first started actively trying to vlog on my channel, I recorded all of this content and I was like, oh, I'm going to put it together and it's going to be great. Yeah, I still haven't put that video out. And I was like, there's got to be a better way of doing this. And in 5 minutes or less, I want to tell you how. Number one, if you are just vlogging, so you are going through a day in the life or vlogging an event or whatever, there's a better way of doing it instead of recording all the content and then trying to edit the content into a producible video that you want to put out. Actually, that's the exact opposite of what you need to do. The first thing you need to do, let's use for an example, I want to vlog my trip to the doctor tomorrow. So I know I have to go to the doctor. I know that I want the video to be between 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm going to make it 4 scenes, right? So there's going to be 4 scenes and 3 minutes. So I decide how many scenes I want. I decide the max amount of each scene. And then I decide where these scenes are going to be. So for example, scene 1, when I get up, do whatever I do in the morning to prepare myself for the day. Scene 2, get ready with me. That can be me getting dressed after taking a shower. That could be me doing my makeup. That could be whatever. Scene 3, talking about the doctor's appointment, telling you guys what it is while I fix and eat my breakfast. That's scene 3. And last but not least, scene 4. Scene 4 would be shooting me leaving the house, on the way to the doctor, and at the doctor. As a matter of fact, scene 4 would probably be the longest of the 4 scenes, because what I would also want to include is a little bit of when I get to the doctor's and maybe some small shots of whatever happens while I'm at the doctor's. And then when I walk out of the doctor's office, that can conclude scene 4. And then if I want to, I can close it out just by saying I'm back home. Thank you guys for going with me to the doctor today. See you in the next video. But I break it down on what the scenes, how many scenes I have and what's going to be included in each scene, right? So now I know everything that I need. I don't have to go and shoot a bunch of video. I just shoot what I need for each scene. Shoot maybe if I need 2 minutes for scene 1 or 3 minutes for scene 1, maybe shoot max 6 minutes. Max 4 minutes. You just shoot enough. If you know how you want it to look, I already have it laid out in your mind. It is not a lot that you have left to do. So you just make a decision on what you want there, what you expect there, and so you pretty much know what to shoot. Now, a lot of times people say vloggers are fake. I saw a woman say that most mommy vloggers are fake. It's because these mommy vloggers are trying to fit a scenario into a video. When it comes to other people, you can't too much control other people. You can only control yourself. So you can't tell your son to cry because you want him to cry. If this is not something that's in his character, it should be concluded or included into what you are trying to do. So with that being the case, since he's not a crier, why would you want him to cry? What happened was a young lady who was a mommy vlogger wanted her son to cry, so she was telling him to cry. Well, she didn't edit very good, clearly, because she left that part in the video along with the crying. And the baby was like, but mommy, I'm sad. He was really crying. And it was maybe out of his character, but this is what he was doing. You don't need to fake it to make it. Just decide what needs to be there based on your life or your situation. Lay out how it needs to be done. And then shoot it. Put it together, and there's your video. It's really that simple. I had to figure that out so I could figure out what to do, because I was horrible at trying to get a bunch of video and putting it back together. Not to mention, I got PTSD, anxiety disorder, and a lot of times I can't sit still and just go from start to finish and make stuff happen. Honey, it'll never get done. So in 5 minutes or less, that is my rendition of how to do a vlog. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.